안녕하세요 여러분 네, 여자의 아비입니다. 제 유튜브 채널에 다시 와주셔서 감사합니다. Hi guys! We're about to check out of our Airbnb unit dito sa One Uptown Residences. We're gonna go naman visit Isabella sa kanilang Airbnb, which is a 4-minute walk away from where we are. We're all packed up and we're gonna check out of our unit. Yung check-out process is iiwan lang daw namin yung yung susi dun sa mailbox ulit kung saan natin siya kinuha nung first day. Okay, so let's go! Say hi to the vlog!
Ay, ugali ha.
Wala ba? Hindi, dapat mo. Ginagawa.
Order kami. Ano po yung numari ako? Ano yung one Ay, wait lang.
Saan ka mo?
Since I messaged her and I was like, hey, this is what I don't want her to let us pay for that, you know? And then within like 10 minutes, within 10 minutes they were there.
Tagal na kami ulit, hindi magkikita.
Please like and subscribe.
Natulo ka rin kami lang.
Please like and subscribe. Ito, wala yung bags ko.
Ganit. Love you.
Please like and subscribe.
Good afternoon everybody. We have just checked in sa aming final hotel sa trip na ito. We are now in Belmont here sa Newport City. I chose this hotel kasi meron na siyang overpass that connects to Naiya 3, which is doon kami sasakay ng plane namin tomorrow pa uwi. It's currently a little after 5 p.m. Kanina pagkatapos namin mag-check out sa Airbnb namin, pumunta na kami sa unit nila Bella. Nag-bonding. We went dun sa tapat na mall, which was, nakalimutan ko na naman anong tawag, pero it's a Japanese mall. It's what? Okay, Cap said it's Mitsukoshi, which is a Japanese mall. So, lahat ng mga major stores dun sa loob, they're all Japanese. So, nag-coffee kami doon. Matagal rin kami before magkita because she now lives in Texas. So, ayun, we just had to go our separate ways kasi may appointment pa sila ng mani-pedi by 4 p.m. And kami, of course, we need to travel na all the way here sa Newport. If given the chance, we would have stayed until nighttime, had dinner together kasi parang hindi naman kami nagmamadali. Pero I wanted them to rest as well kasi si Bella wala pang tulog yon. She finished a 10-kilometer Earth Day run sa Pasay City kanina. So proud of her. So ngayon, before tayo mamasyal ng MOA, mag-room tour tayo dito sa aming hotel sa Belmont. It's gonna be a quick room tour kasi maliit lang naman yung room. A quick intro, I originally booked a standard room na may 2 beds kasi susunod din dito si Dawn. Upon checking in, the front desk upgraded us to a deluxe room. So I don't know what the standard room looks like. Pero ngayon, naka-deluxe na kami. We are on the 8th floor. So ito yung aming i-room tour sa inyo. So I booked this room for 4,560 pesos. Good for 2 persons, 2 beds. May kasama na siyang breakfast. Again, we are here sa Belmont Hotel sa Newport City. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start our room tour. Alright everybody, we will now start our room tour. Again, nandito po kami sa Belmont Hotel here in Newport City. So, pagpasok mo sa room na ito, makikita mo agad yung kanilang bathroom. So here on the left side, nandito yung kanilang bathroom. We have 2 bath towels, we have a bidet, may telephone din dito. And dito naman sa side na to, nandito yung kanilang sink. Parang ito yung hot and cold water nila. Dito, of course, saksakan ng ano natin, no? Ng shave, ng blower. We have 2 glasses, a dental kit. We have a shaving kit as well, soap, and vanity kit. Tapos, nandito meron tayong shower. Ito, just like we've mentioned before, ewan ko ano naman ang concept dito, but it's see-through na naman, no, dito sa kabila. We have here a body wash, shampoo, conditioner, may soap din dito. And ito lang siya, guys. Actually, very small yung space. So, parang ito nakaka-claustrophobic yung area na to. Ewan ko lang kung kasya si Cups dito. Or like, big people, siguro sakto lang kayo. Pero baka mababangga nyo na or masisiko nyo na yung mga walls. And then next, let's go here. Wala kayong makikitang visible na malaking cabinet doors, but we have an open cabinet. Nandito yung safe nila. We have a few drawers. The room comes with 2 hotel slippers, bathrobes, and sabi din pala ng front desk, yung na-book namin comes with access to the sauna, as well as the swimming pool and the gym. So, ayan, ito ang ating cabinet na area, and then meron tayong emergency flashlight dyan. Here naman, meron tayong full body mirror. I believe this is a door. Yes, it is. It is a door kapag may mga nag-book ng connecting rooms. Now, let's go to the sleeping area. We have 2 single beds. Malinis naman siya. The floor, meron siyang pa-carpet dito na I think it needs a bit of cleaning kasi I can see a lot of glitters. Maraming glitters. Siguro ba kayong nag-check-in dito prior to us or I don't know how long. May mga glitters siguro yung mga gamit niya. Maybe she has a gown. I don't know. We have 2 lamps here. Nandito yung switch nila. Okay. And then we have tissue. Nandito yung remote. They have a list of services para sa spa. You won't be able to see yung room service menu dito kasi according dun sa key card nila, you can just scan the QR code tapos papakita nila sa inyo yung mga menu na available for room service. Here we have our television. It's a small television. I don't think it's a smart TV but it's sharp. It's an LED HDMI. So tama, hindi nga siya smart TV. And then here, nandito na yung kanilang guys, desk nila, yung office desk nila. It's not movable since built-in na siya and may mga socket din siya. If, workstation mo siya, pwede kang mag-computer dito. We have a telephone. Tapos baka ma-notice nyo bakit wala tayong pantry area. Kasi nandito siya, guys. Built-in siya dito sa, din na to, sa table din na to. So we have a kettle, 2 mugs, 2 glasses, 4 bottled waters. Ito yung mga complimentary coffee and tea. So ito pala, guys, yung sinasabi kong mga QR code. Meron din sila dito. Room service menu, online food ordering, leisure and wellness, safety guidelines. So, sa scan mo na lang siya. Oh, they also have an all-day breakfast here. Pero hindi naman natin siguro magagamit to because again, the room comes with 2 breakfasts for 2 persons. So, ayan, ito meron tayong sofa dito. Single sofa ba tawag dito? Ayan, for you to rest, sit down, just look at the room. So, ito guys, yung view natin dito sa labas. You'll be able to see yung Marriott Hotel dito sa Newport. I think parking area yan para sa mga airport na sasakyan. I'm not sure. Pero yung airport kasi nandun sa side na yon. So, ayan lang guys. Ganyan lang kaliit ang room natin dito sa Belmont Hotel. Again, here in Newport City. So, pros and cons. Pros, malapit lang siya sa airport as I've mentioned. Yung likod ng hotel, meron na siyang link where you can walk going to the airport. Yung NAIA 3 yun. Connected siya sa NAIA 3. And then, the hotel also comes with a shuttle. Pag ayaw mong lakarin, the hotel comes with a free shuttle going to NAIA 1, NAIA 2. Another pro, very friendly yung kanilang mga hotel staff. And ayun, nagbigyan nga kami ng room upgrade. Although, again, I don't know what the difference is since hindi namin nakikita kung anong itsura ng standard na room. Cons, maliit yung room. I don't think it's enough to fit 4 people. I also don't think it's enough to fit 2 adults and 2 kids. I really think it's good enough for for 2 adults. And then another con, parang yung itsura ng carpet niya dito sa may bed, parang hindi siya masyadong na-vacuum, guys. Kasi may mga itim-itim. Tapos may mga glitters pa. So, I don't know paano nila nililinis yan. Parang nakakatakot magpaano. Saying that, I don't think I can recommend you to stay here for a really long time. Siguro kapag may mga layover lang kayo, tapos kinabukasan na yung flight nyo, you can stay here. Pero kung sasabihin nyo pang matagalan, I don't think you can stay here. Kasi nga, masyadong maliit maliit yung room. Although marami namang pasyalan sa labas, still, I recommend na siguro you can book this room kapag gusto nyo lang talaga na magstay near the airport and you have little time before your flight. So that's it for our room tour here in Belmont, here sa Newport City. Again, this is a deluxe room. 2 beds. It comes with 2 breakfasts as well. Access to the pool, access to the spa, and the sauna. So that's it, guys, for our room tour here at Belmont Hotel. We're just gonna rest for a little while. Siguro mag-freshen up before we go to MOA, kung saan namin imi-meet si Don, and we're gonna have dinner there. So see you later!
Init na?
Good morning, everybody. It's our last day here in Manila. The sun is out. It's a good day today. Ang ganda ng weather outside, guys. Tignan niyo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung view ng airport natin dito. Ayan, ang ating runway. See, ang ganda-ganda ng weather. Thank you, Lord, for the weather today. It's 8:42 a.m. Our flight back to Iloilo is at 11:55 a.m. Kakatapos lang namin ang magbihes. We've already closed our luggages. Now we're gonna claim the hotel's free breakfast for 2. I'm gonna show you that later kung ano ang breakfast na sinaserve dito sa Belmont Hotel here in Newport City. So we're gonna go down and have breakfast before tayo bumalik dito, and then we're gonna walk our way to the airport. That's NAIA 3. We have a connection, the link to NAIA 3. So let's go. Let's have breakfast. This is our look today. Okay, let's go! Ito ang ating OOTD today, guys. Ayan. Sponsored by Shein, Shopee, Skechers. Terno kami ng aking bebe today. Charan! Team Yellow. Guys, we have burger steak, potato rice, hot meal. Nakuha na tayo ng breakfast natin dito sa Belmont Hotel. Ito ang aking kinuha today. We have the meat, garlic rice, meron tayong egg, and yung parang tofu nila na may potatoes, and we got pork humba. Tignan natin kung masarap. Pero ang dami pa nilang options doon. So it's not super dami, but I guess it's enough lang na makapili ka ng pork, chicken, fish, Tapos meron silang garlic rice and plain rice. They have mga juices. Wala lang sila yata hot chocolate. They also have a donut section. Meron silang salad station. Tapos yung may mga waffles. May egg station din sila. Pwede kayo magpaluto ng egg doon. So ayan, let's eat. Tikman natin tong pork buka. Let's try naman tong tofu. Medyo matigas, nakakaanay. Try natin yung danggit kung malutong pa. Nakunap na siya. And medyo maalat. Masyado siyang maalat. Caps, what did you get? You got sa shuka.
Parang ano lang, itlog and tomato sauce.
Itlog and tomato sauce. Tapos you got the burger steak. Cold cuts.
Cheese.
How does it taste?
Really basic.
So, mga 1 to 10.
5 na.
5. What about the soup?
Comforting kasi mainit siya.
Comforting kasi mainit. Okay. So, ito guys, we're walking our way to the footbridge. Ito lang yung Belmont Hotel. And then the footbridge is right over there. And we're here na guys. It was about a 1-minute walk to this walkway. So sabi ni sa inyo, kapag sasakay kayo sa NAIA 3 and you want a hotel near that area, dito kayo sa Belmont, which is right there. So, ma-aircon naman dito guys. Medyo malayo lang siyang lakarin, pero marami naman siyang walkalator. That's it guys. That ends our trip to Manila. I hope you guys enjoyed lahat ng pinuntahan natin and room tours na nangyari, Airbnb tour, tsaka yung Belmont Hotel. So thank you so much sa pagsama sa amin sa trip na to. See you next time. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
bye!
Before we proceed with the game, we want to give the first prize to the guests who can show us the Go Rewards app. We have a quick one buying the window seat at the middle section of the aircraft. If you have the Go Rewards app, remember that rewarding experiences keep going with Go Rewards. Cash